Today's video has a bit of a logic puzzle from LeetCode about counting rabbits, plus some updates to the scripts that make this series possible. Let's get into it. This is day 27 of coding every day until I hit 1K subs. Kicked things off today by working on the scripts that help put these videos together. I improved the way I fetch commit information automatically, which is a nice bit of Python scripting practice for workflow automation and keeps things running smoothly behind the scenes. Alright, switching gears to LeetCode. Today's problem is number 781, rabbits in forest. Spoiler alert incoming, so pause if you want to try it yourself. The goal is to figure out the minimum total number of rabbits in a forest based on answers. Some of them give to a specific question: how many other rabbits have the same color as you? Here's the Python solution I came up with. This solution leverages a hash map, specifically Python's counter, to efficiently group rabbits based on their answers. By counting how many rabbits gave the same answer x, we can determine the minimum number of groups of size x plus 1 needed to account for those answers. Summing the sizes of these required groups gives the overall minimum rabbit count. This achieves oxygen mononitride time complexity, where n is the number of answers, and OU space complexity, where U is the number of unique answers. And that wraps up day 27. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, drop a like, subscribe to follow the journey to 1K, and let me know in the comments if you've tried this rabbit problem or have any interesting logic puzzle recommendations. You can also support the channel over at buymeaboba.com, link in the description. See you tomorrow.